Welcome to the end of week 2. What I loved about this week was how we built upon what we learned week 1, which was Python 3, and by the end of the week had a fully functional game. I think what is so surprising, just being 2 weeks into the bootcamp, is how much I feel like I know, and also how little I feel like I know, which is kind of a new experience, especially when you're learning a new skill. The best part of DigitalCrafts thus far is that they give you full creative license over the projects that you build. So coming out of the bootcamp, you will have a very unique portfolio. So myself and 3 other people, we built a game that is designed for entry-level developers, people learning this. So ourselves, pretty much, we used ourselves as the client. And it is a game that puts you through your paces in coding questions. Using Python 3 to create kind of like a text-based game, which we then overlaid graphics on using Pygame. I think my biggest win and success, and probably also my biggest challenge, was at the beginning of the project finding a niche for myself that happened to be graphics. I definitely come from a design background and felt very comfortable there, but also was able to challenge myself in creating other aspects like movability and functionality using Pygame to create a final product that all of us are proud of. Well, I hope I can say all of us are proud of. And also the challenge of that was actually being okay with where I could contribute for this first project and knowing that all of us are moving at different speeds. So not everyone at week 2 is going to be in the same position. And I think that is what we're going to see for the rest of the bootcamp, is that everyone's kind of going to be in these ebbs and flows of knowledge and where they feel comfortable, and that is totally okay. So I will keep you posted. Check back next week. Next week, being week 3, we are going to leave Python 3 for a little bit and jump into HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.